Hello everyone, myself Rohan Deshmukh and my colleague Vinayak Haval, we both as Team Edible Cutlery worked on this project, and our main motive of making this project is to eliminate plastic cutlery and to replace it with edible cutlery and to take one step closer towards plastic free environment.
The first point of our presentation is negative effect of plastic on our environment. So as plastic is used on large scale, which create plastic pollution, it is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles adversely affect human, wildlife and their habit. Plastic is slowly covering the surface of the earth and are being deposited almost everywhere on the land, creating global plastic menace. As we know, plastic requires lots of years to decompose. According to scientists, plastic material like plastic forks, knives, and spoons need 200 years to decompose, and it is possible only under strong sunlight. Simultaneously, the compounds of plastic reach the soil and water, affecting the plants, sea life, and poisoning animals.
Now, the negative effects of plastic on human health. The use of plastic in cutlery is on large scale, as Indian culture believes in serving meals at events like ceremonies, parties. So, a large number of people are served in plastic cutleries, due to which it creates massive plastics waste. And due to this, the leftover food is consumed by street animals, and due to which they consume plastic. So, the plastic is virtually everywhere. Most of the chemicals released during the production are vinyl chloride, benzene, and which are carcinogenic and neurotoxic. The mass use of plastic leads to filling of landfills. So, and due to the carbon emissions, it creates the risk of developing kidney stones, breast and liver cancer, and hormonal imbalances in humans.
So to overcome the excess use of such hazardous plastic, we made this edible cutlery, which is non-hazardous, environment-friendly as well as biodegradable.
Under this project, we developed an actual prototype of edible cutlery that can help to get rid of plastic from cutlery. The cutlery we made is healthy, nutritious, delicious, and environment-friendly. This biodegradable edible cutlery will create one step closer towards the plastic-free environment.
Our edible cutlery is made up of different grains such as bajra blended with rice and wheat, jawar blended with rice and wheat. We do not make cutlery direct from rice because rice absorbs 64% more water than millets, and we do not fry our edible cutlery. We bake them. Due to this, the shelf life of edible cutlery is up to 3 years, and it does not contain any preservatives. They are like dehydrated vegetables and also highly nutritious.
So we made these cutleries in different shapes like cups, spoons, plates, forks, chopsticks, etc. So you can have this cutlery to have hot soups, teas, and even for breakfast. The cups that we use can sustain tea up to for 12 minutes, and after having tea you can consume the cups, or if you are not interested then you can expose them to sunlight and they will biodegrade within 5 days, or you can feed them to the street animals. So there will be no risk of plastic waste, and it will give a advantage to the human.
So in order to increase the quality and taste of our edible cutlery, we added some different flavors such as sugar, ginger cinnamon, ginger garlic, carrot, beetroot, etc., which enhance or increase the taste of our edible cutlery.
So this cutlery we made is tasty, it has fun in it, it is nutritious, and it is environment friendly. We made an actual prototype of our edible cutlery, and this is it.
This is the actual prototype, and our main intention or motive to use or to try to use this edible cutlery to reduce the use of hazardous plastic in cutlery.
So I hope you guys have enjoyed this presentation and got influenced towards plastic free environment. And my request to all the people who are watching this is to try to avoid as much as plastic as possible and feed the street animals and needy people